Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, for this video, let's talk about how to create a broadcast channel on Instagram. So, a disclaimer, you can only create a broadcast channel if your Instagram account is verified, or if it's a business account, or basically if you're really trending in Instagram. And there you can create a broadcast channel to create and talk to your guys, your fans inside it. So, since I'm just using right now a generic dummy account, the first thing you want to do if you're verified, of course, is going to be clicking on the messaging icon right there. And right here, you'll notice on this part right here, this right there, you can have the option to create a broadcast channel. Basically, it's just like a group messaging, however, it's a broadcast channel. So for some reason, I'm not available to do that since my this account is not verified just yet. Anyway, it's just easy as that. Go here and then create a broadcast channel. You can see the option on this part right there. Now, for some reason, you're already verified and you can see it. You cannot do it. And actually, there is a waiting list to be approved for a broadcast channel. Anyway, what you want to do is go to your profile, go to the settings right there, three lines right here. And basically, for this one, let me just type in professional account. And without moving forward, switch your account to professional and then get your followers, get trending, and get verified and apply for a broadcast channel and you'll be good to go. Now, for some reason, you're still not making it work. What you can do is go back on settings right there. And right here, I'm going to report a problem. This is going to be an issue wherein you can just tell anyone that you have your problem regarding your account and they can just fix it up for you. You can just look it up here, report your problem, and you'll be good to go. Alright? So that being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.